Did you know that nearly 1 in 3 seniors over the age of 60 struggle with weak legs? And many don't even know why? Imagine going for a walk and suddenly feeling like your legs can't keep up anymore. It's like they're giving up on you. Does this sound familiar? Maybe you've experienced it yourself or noticed it in a loved one. The truth is, it's not just a natural part of aging. In fact, there's a hidden cause that most people overlook. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly why this happens and, more importantly, how you can fix it naturally, starting today. Let's talk about Margaret. She's 68 years old and loves spending time in her garden and taking long walks around her neighbourhood. But recently something started to change. Tasks that used to be simple, like trimming the hedges or walking around the block, became a challenge. Her legs started feeling weak, tired and stiff, making her wonder if this was just part of getting older. Does this sound familiar? Maybe you've experienced it yourself or noticed it happening to someone you care about. Margaret, like many of us, thought it was just the natural progression of age. She believed that feeling tired and weak was something she'd just have to accept as part of growing older. But after talking to her doctor and doing some research, she realized something important. Weak legs aren't just a normal part of aging. There's an underlying cause that most people miss, and it's something that can be addressed with the right approach. If you're facing similar struggles, it's important to know that you don't have to just accept it. The truth is, there are simple, natural ways to regain strength and improve your leg health, no matter your age. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical advice on living your best life after 60. Trust me, the solution to strong, healthy legs is closer than you think. Stay with me to learn more. As we age, it's common to notice that our muscles don't seem to work like they used to. But here's the uncomfortable truth. This isn't just about getting older. The real issue starts with the gradual loss of muscle mass, also known as sarcopenia. As we get older, our muscles begin to shrink, and it's not something we can always see or feel immediately. Over time, this natural decline leads to weak legs, which can make everyday activities feel much harder. But it's not just the loss of muscle mass. Decreased circulation plays a major role too. As we age, blood flow slows down, which means your muscles don't get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay strong and healthy. And then there's one of the biggest culprits of all, inactivity. Many of us tend to slow down as we get older, whether it's from joint pain, fear of falling, or simply a lack of motivation. But the truth is, inactivity can make these issues worse. It becomes a vicious cycle. Less movement leads to weaker muscles, which leads to even less movement. This combination of factors, loss of muscle mass, poor circulation and inactivity, can cause serious problems. It's not just about feeling tired after a long walk. It's about the very muscles in your legs weakening over time, making it harder to stand up, walk, or even balance yourself. You might start noticing that tasks that were once easy, like bending down to tie your shoes or getting up from a chair, are becoming more difficult. And that's when pain and instability start to creep in. You might feel stiff in the mornings or experience muscle cramps at night. Your legs might give out on you unexpectedly, and you could feel unsteady on your feet. But it's even worse than that. Weak legs significantly increase the risk of falls, which is one of the leading causes of serious injuries in seniors. A fall can lead to broken bones, hospital visits, and a long road to recovery. It's a terrifying thought, but unfortunately, many people don't realize how important it is to take action before a fall happens. If any of this resonates with you, you're not alone. This is a problem that affects millions of seniors, and it's something you can address right now. It's not just about accepting weakness in your legs as a normal part of aging. It's about recognizing that there are ways to strengthen your legs and get back to living a more active, independent life. In the next part of this video, I'll share with you some simple, natural ways you can combat these issues and start feeling stronger and more stable. But before we dive in, I want to hear from you. Have you experienced any of these symptoms, Weakness, instability, or pain in your legs? Let me know in the comments below. We're in this together. One of the main causes of weak legs is something that many people don't even realize: a lack of movement. It's easy to think that weakness in your legs is just a part of getting older. But the truth is, inactivity plays a huge role in muscle weakness. If you're spending long hours sitting, whether it's watching TV, working at a desk, or simply resting, your muscles aren't being engaged in the way they need to be. Over time, this lack of movement leads to muscle atrophy, which weakens the muscles in your legs and makes it harder to do the things you love, like walking, gardening, or even just standing up without feeling like you might fall. The scary part? This muscle weakening often happens without us even noticing. It's not something you feel overnight, but over weeks, months, or even years. We tend to adapt to sitting more and moving less, and before we know it, our legs have become weaker and less stable. And here's the kicker: it's not just about walking more. While walking is great, it's not the full solution. There's a much simpler solution that you can start doing right now at home that targets those weak muscles and helps rebuild them naturally. But we'll get to that in just a moment. Now that we know what's causing weak legs, let's talk about what you can do to fix it. The good news is, you don't need fancy equipment or hours at the gym to strengthen your legs naturally. In fact, some of the best exercises are simple and low impact, making them perfect for seniors or anyone dealing with weak legs. Let's start with one of the easiest and most effective exercises: chair squats. Don't let the simplicity fool you. This exercise is a powerhouse for building leg strength and stability. Here's how to do it. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart. Stand up slowly and carefully, using your legs, not your arms, to lift your body. Keep your back straight and your chest lifted. Sit back down gently as if you're lowering yourself to sit, but don't let your legs collapse. Use your muscles to control the movement. Repeat this for 10 to 15 reps, taking breaks if needed. Chair squats activate your quadriceps, hamstrings and glutes, all of which are crucial for leg strength and balance. And the best part? It's low impact, meaning it won't put extra strain on your joints. You can start with just a few reps and work your way up as your strength improves. Another great exercise is calf raises. This simple movement targets your calves and helps improve balance, which is key for preventing falls. To do this, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding onto a sturdy surface like a counter or the back of a chair for support. Slowly rise onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as you can. Hold for a second at the top, then slowly lower your heels back down. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps and do 2 to 3 sets. Leg lifts are particularly helpful because they engage the muscles around your knees and thighs, helping to stabilize them and prevent further weakness. It's important to remember that consistency is key. These exercises don't have to be done all at once. You can spread them throughout the day to keep your legs active without overdoing it. Start with just a few reps and gradually increase as you get stronger. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds simple, but will it really work? The answer is yes. By doing these exercises regularly, you'll begin to notice improvements in strength, stability, and confidence. And the best part? These exercises are safe to do at home and can be easily adapted to suit your current fitness level. Have you tried any of these exercises before? Or maybe you're already doing them. Let me know in the comments below. And if you're feeling inspired, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips on staying strong and healthy after 60. Walking is one of the most natural and effective ways to strengthen your legs and improve overall health. But here's the thing, it's not just about walking when you feel like it. To see real benefits, you need to make it a regular habit. Aim for at least 10 to 15 minutes of walking each day. It doesn't have to be a brisk, long walk, just something consistent that gets your legs moving and your blood circulating. Start with a short walk around your neighborhood or even inside your home if you prefer. The key is consistency. Think of it like building a muscle. By walking every day, you're giving your legs a chance to regain strength and stability. If 10 minutes feels like too much at first, that's okay. Start with 5 minutes and gradually increase the time as your legs get stronger. Walking doesn't have to be a big production. Maybe you take a walk after breakfast or before dinner. It's about finding small moments in your day to move. And if you have a dog, they're a great motivator to get outside and walk regularly. But there's a trick to make your walking even more effective. Mix it up, vary your walking routes, or add gentle inclines if you can. Walking on different surfaces like grass, gravel, or slightly uphill challenges your muscles more, helping them to grow stronger and more stable. It's these small changes that can make a big difference over time. Walking also boosts circulation, improves balance, and strengthens your heart. All essential factors in maintaining mobility and preventing falls. Plus, it's great for your mental well-being too. Walking outdoors can reduce stress, improve your mood, and give you a sense of accomplishment. So if you're ready to take that first step towards stronger legs, start small and build up gradually. Your legs and your overall health will thank you. How do you usually fit walking into your day? Let me know in the comments. Another powerful way to naturally strengthen your legs and improve overall health is by focusing on your circulation. As we age, poor circulation can contribute to muscle weakness, swelling, and discomfort in the legs. One simple yet highly effective solution is elevating your legs. A practice that many people overlook, but it can make a significant difference in how your legs feel and function. Elevating your legs for just 10 to 15 minutes every day can work wonders. This practice helps to improve circulation by allowing blood to flow back toward your heart, reducing swelling and discomfort in the lower legs. It's especially beneficial if you spend a lot of time sitting or standing, as gravity tends to pool blood in your lower extremities, leading to stiffness and puffiness. Here's how to do it. Find a comfortable spot, like a recliner, bed or sofa, and lie down. Prop your legs up on a cushion, pillow, or even the arm of a chair so that your feet are above the level of your heart. Relax and stay in that position for 10 to 15 minutes, taking deep breaths to help your body relax even further. While your legs are elevated, you'll likely feel the tension in your muscles begin to release as blood flow improves. This simple act can relieve the tightness that often comes from standing or sitting too long and help keep your muscles from becoming stiff or fatigued. But there's another simple technique you can incorporate alongside leg elevation foot stretches. You'd be amazed at how much of a difference this can make. Just like how stretching your arms or back helps increase flexibility, stretching your feet can stimulate blood flow and prevent stiffness. Here's a simple foot stretch you can try. While sitting comfortably, extend one leg in front of you. Flex your foot, pointing your toes up towards your body, and hold for 10 seconds. Point your toes downward and hold for another 10 seconds. Repeat this 10 times for each foot. Foot stretches help loosen up the muscles in your feet and ankles, making it easier to walk and move around without discomfort. They also increase circulation to your legs and feet, which can reduce swelling and keep your muscles feeling more energized. Additionally, you can try simple ankle circles to further boost circulation. While seated or lying down, extend one leg out. Slowly circle your ankle in one direction for 10 rotations, then switch to the other direction. Repeat with the other leg. These small, easy exercises can have a profound effect on how your legs feel throughout the day. It may seem like such a simple action, but elevating your legs and doing foot stretches regularly can help reduce the discomfort caused by poor circulation, leaving you feeling lighter and more mobile. Consistency is key, and remember, these tips can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. Whether it's after a walk, while watching TV, or before bed, just taking 10 to 15 minutes to elevate your legs can do wonders. What other little habits or stretches have you found helpful for your leg health? Let me know in the comments below. Your experiences could help someone else who's struggling with the same issue. Let's return to Margaret. After just 2 weeks of incorporating these simple exercises into her daily routine, like the leg elevation, walking and foot stretches, she noticed a big difference. Her legs felt stronger, more stable, and surprisingly less tired at the end of the day. She could enjoy her gardening again, which she loved, without the fear of falling or feeling weak. Margaret even told me that she now feels more confident on her daily walks, and she's been able to tackle longer tasks without that constant worry of her legs giving out. It wasn't a quick fix, but the steady progress she made gave her a renewed sense of freedom and independence. The best part? She didn't need any fancy equipment, expensive treatments, or drastic lifestyle changes. It was all about consistency with simple, natural exercises that anyone can do, no matter their age or fitness level. Margaret's transformation is proof that even small incremental changes can have a profound impact on your health. And you don't have to do it alone. You can start today with the same steps Margaret took. Remember, your legs don't have to feel weak forever. With a little patience and dedication, you can regain strength and mobility naturally. So, what's stopping you from starting now? Now, let's talk about something important: avoiding common mistakes that many seniors make when trying to strengthen their legs. One of the biggest errors is overexertion. It's easy to think that doing more is always better, but that mindset can actually cause strain, fatigue, and even injury. Pushing too hard, too fast can set you back and make progress harder to achieve. Many seniors dive into intense workouts or try to walk too far, too soon, thinking it will speed up their recovery. The truth is, your body needs time to adapt and grow stronger. Slow and steady is the way to go. Start small, be kind to yourself, and gradually increase your activity level as your strength builds. Remember, it's not about how much you do, it's about consistency and patience. Your body will thank you for taking a gentle approach and letting it heal and grow stronger at its own pace. So, before you push yourself too hard, reflect on where you are and make sure you're listening to your body. How have you approached your fitness journey? What small adjustments have worked for you? Share in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who could benefit from this advice today. Together, we can keep moving forward toward a healthier, more active life.